So in this video, I want to be able to show you my steps of how I went to no business online to start making money online. I'm going to show you all those things coming up next. So when people think about an online business, they normally think about physical products, right? Sometimes they use POD, print on demand type of sites, and they really try to get as much revenue as possible by selling physical products. And for me, I tried that and that just wasn't, I guess, going well for me. I sold a lot of products physically, a lot of shirts using POD, but I just didn't get a lot of traction. I was using platforms like Etsy to try to get more sales, and as we know, Etsy is good, but it's just a competition space. Some of the limitations that I found with Etsy is you can't grow an email list. You can't really expand your brand because you have no other way to communicate with your potential shoppers. Ads were okay, but then when they changed it up, it was just hard to get your ad into somebody that really wanted to click your product. And so my time on Etsy was okay, but again, I just wanted more. I wanted more control. I wanted more ownership of my products. And so that's when I started venturing over to Wix. And Wix was a great site to start selling products because one thing I always wanted to do was grow my email list, right? I used to listen to this guy, John Chow. He has a YouTube channel. I'll link it down below, but he really gave a great tip of why you want to grow your email list. And he said this, that, when you sell to a person, maybe your product physically or digitally, you have that person only for that one occasion. And that's why he really talked down about affiliate marketing, that it's really hard to make money in affiliate marketing because if you're trying to, grow your affiliate sales, you're really just giving the customers to whoever that business is, because you're just an affiliate. You really don't own that particular buyer. And so he says, it's so important to just not sell products, but get the email from those people who are buyers. He used an example like this. If we go to Best Buy and, we have money to spend, and if Best Buy owners had a choice of you to spend $5 with your email attached to it, or you spend $10,000, they'll probably want you to spend $5. And the reason is because if they can get your email, they can advertise to you for free. And this is just something that Etsy did not, at least in my experience with it. Maybe some of you have different experiences, but it's just something that I didn't experience. But Wix allowed me to really branch off and do that. And not just Wix, but Shopify and whatever else that's out there. And so the main reason I switched off was to grow my email list. And email list is good because you are always able to connect with your buyers again to relate future products that you may have. So my journey of going to physical was really only for a short time because I went to digital products. And the reason why I went to digital products was because there's such a higher return value of your income, right? The money that you put in, you just get a higher return rate of what you put in. A lot of people who are selling physical products, after they get done with the shipping, the product cost, if they're advertising on Facebook ads or maybe Instagram, they're giving maybe like 40% of their income, their revenue to their marketing scheme. And again, the return value of what they're getting is really maybe 20%, on a good day, maybe 30, 35. And that's what I was kind of returning on Etsy. And I'm like, man, I want to get higher than that. You know what I mean? I want to be able to get, if I can, above 35% of all my work that I've been doing. And so what I learned, that the best way to get a higher return value of your work when you're selling online is to go digital, right? To create a digital product so that when you sell it, you don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about product costs. If you do advertisements, at least you have a higher percentage because you didn't spend your money on shipping, product costs. And we're not even talking about returns. And so going digital was better for me because I saw a higher return value in what I was putting in. Right now on Wix, I'm getting like 98% return. Some of that is because I'm not using paid advertisement, I'm using free advertisement. And I'll show you how I'm doing that in my next video. But free advertisement gave me 40% of my revenue back in my pocket. With me not having to ship, physically make a product, deal with returns, I was able to get a higher percentage back in my revenue by doing digital products. And so if you guys are thinking about making a store, think about going digital. You know, in a next video, I'm going to teach you something that you can do called DOD, right? Digital on demand. Not print on demand, but how you can do digital on demand. So, as always, guys, hopefully you like that video. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. I give all weekly tips and strategies of how you can start growing your online influence by turning your passion into a profit through progress. And so you want to see more videos like these, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more. But as always, I'll see you in the next video.